Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the poem on killing a tree. In last video, we have seen the first two stanzas, summary and theme, and all those things. Today we will end up the poem. So please pay attention. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for ear inside the earth. In this paragraph, it is told that here no means from here when it was explaining that how tree, if you will cut the branches of the tree or anything, if you will cut, it will grow again. Okay, so now here, see here the word no has been used. Why? Because to lay emphasis or to focus on the fact that mere chopping means cutting from anywhere or hacking would not kill the tree. Okay, it would grow again and retain its original size. That's why it is in the former paragraph it has been discussed that from where it should be cut, how to chop, and all those things. And finally it is telling no, these all things won't work. To kill a tree, only chopping, hacking will be not sufficient. But if you have to kill the tree, then in this further paragraph it is discussed how to kill the tree, how to destroy it forever. Okay, so see here, the root is to be pulled out of anchoring earth. Root means in this line it is explaining that for killing the tree, what you have to do, that root has to be pulled out. Pulled out means take out from the soil, out of the anchoring earth. Here the word anchoring earth means trees are held securely with the help of root in the earth. Okay, that's why it is telling anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied, and pulled out and snapped out. Here the word, underline the word snapped out, to break suddenly. And underline the word, student, underline the word anchoring earth together. Anchoring earth in this line means it is told about the tree, that the tree are held securely with the help of root in the earth. Okay, so it is told that it is to be roped means you have to tie it. Okay, and pulled out, snapped out means to break suddenly. You tie the tree and pull it very nicely so that the root should come out of the soil. Now see the further, it is told, or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave. Here it is written the word earth cave. Earth, underline the word earth cave. Earth cave means from under the soil. The cave for the root. What is a cave for the root? That soil is considered as the cave for the root. Okay, means it is suggesting or instructing that you have to, means one has an individual or people has to pull it out entirely, completely. Okay, not only to cut the trunks and all, to chop or hack, this all will be sufficient, but anyone has to pull it out from the root entirely. Whole tree should be pull it out, and the strength of the tree exposed. The strength means, what is the strength of the tree? Strength of the tree, that is the root of the tree. Here the strength of the tree is referred to the root of the tree. Means here it is telling that you have to pull it out entirely from the earth cave, means from the soil. And what you have to pull it out? The strength of the tree, means main thing of the tree. What is the main thing of the tree? Root is the main thing of the tree. It has to be exposed, it has to be come out. The source white and wet. This line is described about the root. The root is the source. So main source, because it is in the soil, it gets the nutrient, minerals, water from that only, and it is passed to the rest of the part of the plant. That is why it is called as a source. Root is as a source of the plant. It is white in color and wet. Wet means, you know what is the meaning of wet? Means if the it is in the soil. Why it is called wet? Because it is in the soil, and soil is a bit wet. Means we put water, we water the plant in the root only, and in the soil only water goes inside, and from there it takes the sufficient water how much it is needed. That is why it is always wet, because it is not directly exposed to the sun. It is inside the earth, okay, inside the soil. So it is called as a wet ear. The most sensitive and hidden for the ear inside the earth, means that part, the root, is the most sensitive. Why sensitive? Because the main part, if you uproot it, uproot the soil, uproot the root, means if you will take out the root, if some a bit also it will be harmed, then whole tree is going to die. That is why it is called sensitive part. It will not like other parts of the plant is not like that, that it will also grow and regain its shape. Once it is taken out from the soil, afterward it will not grow. Okay, that's why it is called as sensitive. And hidden why? Hidden, what is used for the root? Because it is inside the soil. From how much? From years inside the earth, means since many years. Now in the last paragraph, last stanza, it is told, then the matter of scorching and choking. Here student underlined the word scorching and choking, means drying up the tree after being uprooted. Usually, literally, the meaning of scorching is very hot, and choking means blocking of the throat or anything. Means if you choke means unable to breathe, blocking of the throat, by which anyone cannot breathe. But it is used for the tree here. Here in that sense, it is told that the drying of the tree after being uprooted in the sun and air, means if you will take out the if you take out the root from the soil, it will be scorched, it will be burned, and it will be choked in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Mean it will become brown, it will become hard, no more moisture will be there, because before it was in the soil, then it would get the water, or it was wet, but it will become hardening, twisted, and withering becoming weak and dry, and it is done. When the whole root will be taken out, means done, your work is done, means the purpose of killing tree is fulfilled. Okay, so now the poem is over. Go through the poem. If any doubt, ask to me. Write the summary of the poem and send it to me. That's all for today. Thank you.